Hi, my name is Matt with Fox Mustang Restoration. Our website is foxresto.com. We sell restoration parts for 79 to 93 Ford Mustangs. One of the items you'll find on our website is our restoration service of the 87 to 93 Coupe quarter windows. Well, the first thing I'm going to cover with you is some of the other techniques that have been used throughout the years. So, what is typically done is that the old molding is sanded down and then recovered with resin, epoxy, high build primer, or paint. With applying those, one of the issues you have is those have to be hand sanded. So you're going to end up having a slightly different molding every time because it's handcrafted. So that leads into covering some of the downfalls that we overcome. Downfall list covers trying to reuse existing moldings. It's like trying to paint over rust. Why would you try to just cover the problem? The other issues are if you have a broken stud. You cannot replace a broken stud because it is part of the rubber. And water spots. If you have water spots, there's no way to polish 100% of the glass because you can't polish up to the molding. You're going to end up damaging the molding. And finally, you have the letters, the white Mustang letters. And over time, they get blotchy and distorted, and they just don't look good. So we can overcome all this with our service. Second thing I'm going to cover with you today is our process, how we actually do the restoration. First thing we do when we get the window in is we remove all the existing rubber. This includes the rubber on the back as well, because that rubber is not only on the front, but it also covers the back and is what holds your mounting studs in, and it also holds the decal that your Mustang letters, that makes your Mustang letters white. So with the rubber removed, which includes removing all the studs, the backing, and the Mustang letters, we're ready to do the restoration service. First step of the restoration service would be to polish the glass if that option is chosen. This gets out your watermarks. It does not, however, remove any scratches or chips that you can catch with your fingernail. So with the molding removed, we put it into our custom-made fixture to be able to polish the glass to a mirror finish. Then the next step after polishing will be actually injecting your whole brand new molding. Here's a set of quarter glasses, left and right, that just came out of the molds yesterday. And you can see all the rubber is brand new. We're going to flip it around to the back. See, all new studs, all new rubber, completely encapsulated glass, ready to go. So one of the items that people look for in a good quality restoration part are the fine details. One of the things that we paid a lot of attention to was to be able to get the aesthetic detail line exactly like original. The way we were able to do this is we actually made our molds using 3D scans of new old stock quarter glass. So these are actually exact copies of the original quarter glass moldings, made with just newer technology rubber. The third and final thing I'd like to cover today is the transaction and how that will go. Once we receive your quarter windows, we will clean them, inspect them, circle any imperfections, take photos, and then email these photos to you for your inspection and approval. Once we have your approval, we will put your quarter windows in line to be restored. One of the things we'd like to point out is that tint adhesive and butyl removal is not included in the price of the quarter window restoration. To save a little bit of money, please remove these items before shipping your quarter windows in. We will be happy to remove these for you, but there will be a small charge for that service. Thank you for joining me today on the subject of the 87 to 93 Coupe quarter window restoration service. You can find this on foxresto.com. You may also give us a call, 704-888-1278. We're open Monday through Friday, 10 to 5 Eastern. Thank you.